Welcome back to Kitchen Witchery, Part 2. We're going to cover 3 more herbs and spices that you should have in your house on a regular basis and actually use. So let's go. Especially this time of year, I'd be remiss if we did not talk a little bit about cinnamon. Cinnamon is most well known for helping maintain and stabilize blood sugar, which makes it a great addition for those suffering with insulin resistance. But it also has antifungal and antimicrobial properties. It can also help with PCOS and cramping around that time of the month. And it's actually a pretty good natural insect repellent. Other than keeping vampires and maybe people you don't want to talk to away from you, garlic is absolutely one of my favorites and something I use almost every day. It is very well known for helping the circulatory system and heart function, along with maintaining healthy lipids and helping maintain a healthy digestive tract. Cumin is another one of those spices that I use on a regular basis. Very well known for its antioxidant properties, but also antimicrobial and antiseptic. Also really useful for maintaining optimal kidney health and improving digestion. Like and follow for more tips.